Let us be your landula. I can't do it. How do you do it again? If you're not already aware, Canada's London is really famous for one particular bird,
The Canada goose.
and if you're at all familiar with Canada geese, you know a few things.
They are very territorial.
They fly in a V formation.
And their hatchlings have a very specific name.
Totally.
What? You do know what baby geese are called, right?
Well, yeah, I mean, sure I do. Everyone does.
Well, stick around to find out what a very famous person born right here in London has in common with baby geese.
Geezers!
But for an entirely goose-free experience, be sure to visit lovelondoncanada.com where you can find out how to take your business to new heights.
Goosettes!
By now, you're probably familiar with this preteen sensation busking on the tourist-filled streets of Stratford.
But do you know where he was born?
That's right, Justin Drew Bieber was born on March 1st, 1994 at St. Joseph's Hospital in London, Ontario, Canada.
And while Bieber fever swept the world, there's another famous Londoner who helped make talking pictures a thing, Jacob Warner.
I'm sorry, who?
Oh, right. You probably know him as Jack Warner.
As in the Warner Brothers?
That's right. The founder of the studio that would go on to make classics like Casablanca, Looney Tunes, and the 2023 hit Barbie was born in London in 1892.
And here's a Hollywood icon with a history that's literally out of this world.
Movie fans will recognize Emmy-nominated Hume Cronin from films like Brewster's Millions and The Pelican Brief. Hume was born in 1911 to Hume Cronin Sr., a lawyer, a banker, and London's Member of Parliament, and Frances Amelia Labatt, who was heir to the Labatt brewing fortune.
Today, you can find the Hume Cronin Memorial Observatory at Western University, which is actually named for his father. Now, if you've been keeping track, there's been more than a fair share of boys on this list.
And while she doesn't have an asteroid named after her,
Yet,
we've got the real star power of Rachel McAdams, born here in London in 1978.
with credits that include Marvel superhero movies and comedies like The Hot Chick, Mean Girls, and Wedding Crashers,
Plus many other box office and critical hits like The Time Traveler's Wife, Sherlock Holmes, and her Oscar-nominated role in Spotlight.
it's easy to understand why Rachel was nominated Hollywood's It Girl.
But if you're thinking, hey, they've missed the most important Rachel McAdams movie,
Then get out your real estate guide because this next London-born superstar may just have you checking London listings for a Mojo Dojo Casa house.
that's right, Barbie's very own Ken. Ryan Thomas Gosling was born November 12, 1980 at St. Joseph's Hospital in London. Ryan's family moved around a lot, but he was still able to start wowing family audiences on the Mickey Mouse Club at just 13 years old. But it was his breakout role alongside London-born co-star Rachel McAdams in The Notebook that saw Ryan's rise to true stardom.
And with his third Academy Award nomination, I think it's pretty clear how his story goes.
Did we miss a born in London superstar? Let us know in the comments. There's so much to our region's culture, and you can learn more about London's most famous art and history for free right here at Museum London.
Are you ready to give birth to a superstar venture here in London?
Let us be your Landula. Visit lovelondoncanada.com.
Ryan Gosling, Mojo Dojo Casa House, not guaranteed.
Oh, Gosling is the word for baby geese, right.
Like and subscribe to make sure you get all the freshly goose content from Canada's London.